Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 7 and today's topic is assignment 2. That means already you have submitted your assignment number 1, which one is your theory part. This one is your practical part. So my dear student, look at the board. I have already drawn a scenery for you. This one is a village scenery. Okay, whereas you have to go the village, you always or you we watch this type of scenery, that the boat and the river also. That's why I suggest you to draw this. But if you want, you can draw by your choice, but that will be the village scenery. Okay, a village scenery must you will draw, because this one is your topic from the government quit. So look at this. I have drawn a box, but you won't draw any kinds of box on your page. I use just this box for imagination that this one is your copy. I have first draw this type of line and draw some house like this. Look at this. Follow the class very carefully, then you will draw better. Boat is a very easy topic, that's why I have used this boat. And give here a tree. Give here some grass and a boat also. I have drawn here a lot of boat. Give here a boatman. Give here the sail. Look, I have already completed this scenery almost. Okay, and now I drag the finishing. Okay, I will touch for the finishing, and this one is the finishing. So look, this one is very easy topic. You use half sheet Curtis paper for drawing. I will give you the use half sheet Curtis. Okay, half sheet Curtis paper, and for the color you can use pencil or pastel, or pencil and pastel also. Okay, that means half sheet Curtis paper, use pencil or pastel color also. Remember this, use half sheet Curtis paper for your drawing, and for the color you will use pencil or pastel color. Now I will brief you which color I have used here. Look at this picture very carefully. This one is very easy topic, and this one is very easy color. You know that because you are 7th student now. I have first colored the sky, and then use on the house, and look at this, the top side of house. This one is very light color. I have used light here, deep yellow, and on the board common some I have used some common color, black and brown color, and the deep yellow and light yellow, and for the sail I have used here purple color. I want to watch that you will show me your creativity, not you won't you just follow my drawing, don't copy my drawing. Okay, my dear student, submit your assignment and do your assignment very carefully. No more today. Thank you.